let's break down the details of the hearing which is currently underway on the tragedy that happened in the national capital at the Delhi High Court. And after lapses have been highlighted in the court, some very, very tough, pertinent questions being posed to the cops by the High Court and to the MCD as well. We have Priyank on the broadcast with us. High Court has not just made scathing observations but also posed tough questions to both the cops and the MCD officials. Priyank.
Yes, Swati, very scathing observation coming out from the High Court, and now the counsels for the petitioners have been arguing before the court, where they are saying that 300 libraries are still running in this area, which are certainly not permissible. The counsel have also said that the MCD officials are so prompt. If you put out one brick and they will come and collect the bribe, but in this particular scenario they went missing. The CJ has also said that suspension is nothing. Nobody loses the job. They will come back with a promotion. MCD counsel that the JE has been suspended. So the court on the MCD statement that the JE has been suspended, the CJ has also stated that suspension is nothing. The officer will once again come back. So the court is by and large talking about the connivance of the government officials and making one person scapegoat and then bringing him back once the issue settled down is a very valid point, because Swati, this is what we were highlighting in times now since 3 days, that we are talking about those coaching institute which has given hundreds of and thousands of IAS and IPS officers. So you can imagine that these administrative service officers, even if they become a tehsildar, they are holding a very strong position, and the moment there are any actions which are initiated against these illegal coaching institutes or those libraries, then certainly one call will certainly solve the issue by any officer who can talk to those government officials from the MCD. But the connivance of the MCD officer is certainly something which is being spoken in the court. So certainly it is hitting out on the image of the Municipal Commission of Delhi, the Delhi Municipal Commission, which has been time and again coming into light, where the court is also apprised of the fact that they don't have money to pay to the workers, and the only option for them is to take the bribe.